Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to create a new theme in WordPress and we are going to implement the bootstrap slider into it. So let's get started. This is my WordPress files and folder. So I'm going to create a new theme. So for that reason we are going to go inside WP content, themes. Then what I'm going to do, instead of creating a new folder and copying the new files from another server or not anything, I am going to just copy the 2019 theme in this case. Just copy and paste it. Okay. And I'm going to change the folder name to my theme name. Now in this case I'm going to add it and the name is WordPress tutorial. Okay. Next is what we're going to do. We need to change the theme name in style.css file. Actually, this is a style.css file, and I'm going to change the name of the theme. Okay. And next check if our themes appear in appearance and themes area in WP backend. Yeah, our theme has comes up over here. Now we are going to activate it. Yeah, this will look like same like the 2019 theme because we just copy the 2019 themes. If we have the HTML source file, then we are going to copy the CSS from the HTML project we are going to use for the WordPress theme and then going to implement it. Now let's add bootstrap into it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add bootstrap here. Okay, I'm going to add the CSS over here. So this is going to be my CSS, and I'm going to add it in header.php, nothing else. And I'm going to add it after WP_head because I want the WP default CSS and plugin CSS and any other things should come first, then my CSS come. Okay. No need to do this. And we need to add this 3JS for it. And I'm going to add the JS in footer.php file. And again, I'm going to add it after WP_footer. And I'm going to delete this thing. I don't need that. Now let's check if we have installed successfully. We're going to page view source. Yeah, it appears. So bootstrap has been installed successfully in our theme. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new page and add the bootstrap slider into it. For that we need to add a template, create a new template over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a new file and I am going to name it as template slider.php. And I need to add template code and get header over here. we need to add the template code over here. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. Just go like this. Now looking good. And this is the template name. Now let's see what is template name and what it is doing over here. Okay. So let's create a new page in WP Admin. Click on Add New. And name it Slider Team. Okay. Now here we can see we have the option called template, and it is by default selecting as a default template. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to select it, the new template which I created just before. So I'm going to select it as Slider Demo and click on Publish. Let's see. Yeah, it's showing like this because our header and this is our footer. Now I'm going to add some code over here, like my template is working properly. Yeah. So what we have learned still now that how to create a new theme in WordPress, and after that how to create a new template in WordPress. Currently whatever we are doing, we're doing just a static work, not any kind of dynamic work. Okay, we'll see in some next step how we can do that as well. Okay, now our goal is to add one bootstrap slider in this place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the bootstrap code and paste it over here. So I'm going to copy this one. Yeah, I want this slider. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to copy from here to here. And I'm going to paste it after the PHP tag. And no need to check whether it is working or not. I know the template is working. Now I need to add some images link for this. I'm going to copy the URL because this is not in our local. Okay. So now you can see that in this page, actually our castle comes up, but it has some JS issues, so it is not working. Let's check why it is not working. What's the issue with it? Just to inspect. Nothing's in the console. Let's check whatever the issue is. Yeah, actually the issue is we just paste the Bootstrap 3.4 code over here and we just implement Bootstrap 4 over here. So it is the main problem. We are using Bootstrap 4.4.1, so we need to use the Bootstrap latest version, Bootstrap 4 carousel here. So we are going to use this carousel and paste it over here. So we need to do this. I'm just going to paste it, and I need to change the images links. Whatever the image link I have this one. Just add this one here, both case, and I'm going to add these names. Copy this one. One is Chicago, and another one is LA. Let's try it. So let's see. Now what happened? I hope it is working now. Yeah, it is working. Okay. The image with this arrow icon, it comes up, but I need to add this one as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it over here and let's see what happens, if it's working or not. No, actually not, because we need to add something else. This is color indicator, data to slide 0, 1, 2. School. So what's the original? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's see again. Let's say so. To right carousel. But our ID is different. So we need to use this one over here. And let's see. Yeah, now it is working fine. We need to add some text over here. I'm going to add it like this way. This is first liner. Second, this is third. Let's see how it's looking. It's not actually looking good. So I need to just copy this area differently. This is not at all looking good. Yeah. This is a nice example. So we need to do like this way. To this way, this is going to be in H5. And I'm going to copy some lower mix some text over here, so it looks nice. Let's see. Hope it's done. It's working fine. Yeah. Now it's looking a little bit better. We can move it into the middle portion of it, but we'll do that later. So our main goal is to make this theme dynamic. For now, we'll go to the next session or the next tutorial, what we are going to do, we are going to make this slider dynamic. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. To comment below and please subscribe us. Thank you.